Hello. If you're an adult with ADHD, you're not imagining this, but life is more challenging, and you're more likely to experience anxiety and low mood. But here's the good news, is that research from the field of positive psychology, founded by Dr. Seligman, offers simple, powerful strategies that can improve your well-being and performance. Number one, practice gratitude. It's not just a nice idea, it changes the brain. Writing down once a week 3 things that you're grateful for and why they matter to you can boost mood and lower anxiety. Even more powerful, write a short thank you note to someone who helped you, either recently or in the past. It won't just help you feel better, it'll strengthen your relationships. Set specific, achievable goals. Adults with ADHD thrive for structure and clarity. Setting goals, especially when they're specific and measurable, this helps build motivation and confidence. Write them down, break them into steps, and track your progress. It builds a sense of momentum, and it drives both a better mood and improved productivity. And number 3, visualize your best possible self. It may sound a little surprising, but studies have shown that doing this once a week for the next 6 weeks can boost your mood and well-being. Write your best possible life for 5 or 10 minutes. It's brain priming, and it's been found to be very effective. These are science-based tools that I use with high-performing adults that I treat and coach. They work, and you don't need to do all of them. Start with one that resonates. Which one speaks to you? Let me know in the comments below. I hope that you find these strategies helpful in your work.